I'll close the public portion of the meeting and move on to discussion. Councilor, would you like to make any comment, or would you prefer any comment?
As a matter of fact, I did protest in Federal Square with Ron Mandick and several other people regarding the implementation of this particular legislation. It reminds me of the King of England during the Revolutionary War, when he suspended habeas corpus and arrested the so-called American rebels without a warrant, holding them without trial, denying them access to bail, and basically doing away with the habeas corpus provisions. And that's what started the Revolutionary War, and was the basis of the drafting of the Constitution. And this country has been unique in human history because of its adherence to the Constitution. That being said, my opposition was as a citizen. And because I've sat on this council for 20 plus years and have seen us lose our way with petitions that really weren't within our jurisdiction, I've adhered to the policy of just dealing with matters that were local, affected our budget and our legal rights and responsibilities. I certainly would have no objection to going out and holding a sign in front, because I do support the position of the congressman and the folks that spoke before us, but I'm going to vote to file this. Does that mean that sometime in the future, should I see the implementation of this have a direct impact on our citizens, or see the court system lose its way in supporting the Constitution, I may very well change my mind, but at this point in time, I'm going to vote to file it.
Councilor, I agree with you, and I would move that we file the item. All those in favor of filing?
Aye.
Aye. So be it. Our next item of business.
Can I ask a question?
No, we've closed the hearing on that. Our next item of business is the proposed changes of the rules.
The most important thing we have to do on this council is understand what the Constitution is. This country is identified by its Constitution. And its Constitution, by the way, is being ignored from the White House, a president who doesn't understand what executive orders are, to Supreme Court justice who started interfering in the national election. That's how little regard the Constitution has gotten from the top, now all the way down to the Worcester City Council.